happened, dear? Why are you so sad?
Mom, it's almost Christmas and we don't even have a Christmas tree.
So that's not a problem. We can make a Christmas tree
We can make a Christmas tree? How?
out of cardboard. I have a big cardboard lying in the room.
A Christmas tree out of cardboard?
Yes. Come on, let's have some fun.
Okay.
First, let me explain you how to make the cone for the Christmas
So here
tree.
we'll measure from this end to this end. It's 20. So now from here we'll measure from this end to this end 20, and we'll make a curve of 20 centimeter to get a beautiful curve. We got all these 20 centimeter points. Now we'll join the points and see, we get the curve. Okay, now we'll cut it. So you see, this is a 90-degree.
Yes.
Okay, and we get this cone, and now we'll fold this cone carefully to get a cone out of this. Yes, let's put some glue. And carefully merge the two sides. And your cone is ready for the tree.
Wow, that's so nice. And it seems easy.
Yes, it's very easy. So now let's make this cone out of a big cardboard.
You see, we made the cone out of the paper.
Yes.
And it is ready out of the cardboard.
Wow.
A Christmas cone. Tree
But
cone.
Mom, the base is not totally circular.
Yeah, I have a trick for that too. But before that, you have to see, you need to secure the edge with lots of sellotapes. Okay? So that the cone doesn't open.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, see, you see lots of sellotapes. I've secured it well. Okay? And for this base, I have a trick for that. Let's watch. Hold on, these are not for fighting. These are for the trees.
These are for the tree.
Yes. See, since the base is not a perfect circle, these are for supporting the cone at the base. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll show you how to get the length of these pieces.
So here we need to do a small calculation. We know that C is equal to 2 pi r. So r is the radius and twice of radius is diameter. And here in this case we need to find out the diameter. So for my tree, C is the circumference of the base. In my tree it's 64 inches. And so let's put the pi is equal to 22 by 7 and d. So d will be 64 into 7 by 22. That is approximately 20.3 inches. So the big piece would be 20.3 inches, and we have another piece that would be a slightly smaller than the other one. That would be suppose say 19 inches, so that it fits the base properly. So now these two pieces are tied up, and then we will be putting some double tips at the end of these pieces. Can I get some?
Yes, sure.
Yes. Like this, we have put double tips at the end of each piece, and now I need some help. Okay, so you will be holding it and I will be sticking this at the base. Okay.
and it has taken the shape. You need to put some more sellotapes to secure this thing, these pieces very well. And I have also put one more stick inside it.
Oh.
Yes. Let's see if it stands properly and hold its shape.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. So once your Christmas cone is ready for making your tree, first we will light up the tree. Okay? So here I have this light. We'll start it from the base. Can you hold it for me? So once you put the light on the cone, it will look somewhat like this, and we have put some sellotapes to secure the light in its place. So let's see how it looks. Can you light the? Oh wow!
It looks so nice.
Yeah, it's already looking so nice. So now let's put some streamers. I'm using this kind. You can use any of your choice. Actually, this gives the feeling of yes, and the feeling of that green tree.
Yeah.
So I have chosen this one. You can use any of your choice. So we'll start it from the top first, and we'll go on round and round like this. See, the light I have chose to put it first because of this reason, that this will have a grip for the streamers. You're doing pretty good.
Thank you.
So as you see, I have finished wrapping up these streamers on the tree. So it has now become a fully tree, and here I have
Some space left.
fence, and I'll paint that with
Dark
the
green.
shade of green. So I think it won't look very bad. It would be same as of this color. So yeah, our Christmas tree is ready.
Let's put the star topper on now.
Yay! Very nice. Switch on the light and let's see. Voila! The tree is ready.
It looks amazing.
But one work is still left. We need to decorate our tree.
With ornaments.
Yes. So you can decorate your tree with your favorite ornaments, whatever you like. We have decorated our tree with the ornaments we had. So the last one is there. Before putting that on the tree, I want to share with you a small tip how to put those ornaments. So for that you need a compass and some toothpicks. Yes, toothpicks. So with the compass, make a hole in an inclined position, and then insert the toothpick there carefully. Kids, be very careful with the compass. It's better the elders do this job, okay? So yes, put the decoration last piece, and yes, the tree is beautifully decorated now. So I hope you will like my concept and you will make your own tree like this and have lots of fun. The best part of this is that you can also preserve this tree for the coming years. Okay, thank you.